Welcome to a detailed specification breakdown of the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE 5G, the new standard and an anatomy of a modern classic. The S25 FE 5G embodies the evolution of FE, sleeker, stronger, smarter. It is the thinnest FE yet at 7.4 millimeters, weighing only 190 grams. It features an Armor aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus Plus with IP68 water and dust resistance. Experience immersion by design with the 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. It boasts a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate and 1900 nits of peak brightness. The ultra-slim 1.47 mm bezels provide a 90.19% screen-to-body ratio. Galaxy AI acts as your proactive partner, powered by Knox Matrix Security. Key features include Circle to Search, Gemini Live, and Browsing Assist. Perfection is reimagined with advanced editing features. Photo Assist allows you to move, resize, or erase objects. You can also turn a sketch to image, apply live effects for 2D to 3D depth, and use instant slow-mo. Capture every moment with a versatile camera system. It includes a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens with a 123-degree FOV, a 50 megapixels main camera with OIS and dual-pixel AF, and an 8 megapixels telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and 30x space zoom. The Pro Visual Engine enhances your photos. Features include nightography for AI-driven noise reduction, Super HDR for real-time contrast optimization, and enhanced texture and sharpness. See yourself in high definition with the upgraded 12 megapixels wide-angle sensor, a 20% higher resolution than the S24 FE. It supports 4K at 60 FPS front video recording. Experience flagship velocity with the Samsung Exynos 2400 4nm deca-core processor. The Exynos 940 GPU AMD RDNA3 supports hardware-accelerated ray tracing. The S25 FE 5G provides sustained power with a 4,900 mAh capacity and 45W wired charging. It also supports 15W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, utilizing a 13% larger vapor chamber for cooling. This device is built for the long haul, offering 7 generations of OS upgrades and 7 years of security patches, safeguarded by Samsung Knox Vault. The S25 FE 5G is a clear upgrade from the S24 FE. It is thinner, lighter, has smaller bezels, a better selfie camera, a larger battery, and an upgraded Exynos 2400 chipset. For connectivity and storage, the device features 8GB LPDDR5X RAM and storage options of 128GB, 256GB, or 512GB. It supports Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, and dual SIM, Nano Plus eSIM. Choose your aesthetic. The Samsung Galaxy S25 FE 5G starts at approximately $649 or 57,990 rupees. Here is a glance at the S25 FE 5G specifications. Key features include the 6.7-inch AMOLED 2X display, Exynos 2400 processor, 50 megapixels main camera, 12 megapixels front camera, 4,900 mAh battery, and 7 years of OS and security support.